When you first arrive at Marrakesh airport, the Wi-Fi here is free to make that important call or message. Before you exit out of the airport, there are shops where you can purchase SIM cards with data if necessary. In my room here at valeria.atlas, we had Wi-Fi throughout our resort. The connection was good all around except going near to the swimming pool where the connection seems to lag. So what about if I need internet connection while I'm out and about in the city and I love to keep my SIM card in my phone? This is when I searched for an eSIM. Now there are many out there with different packages, but I went with Holafly, which suits my needs that I require. Do make sure that your mobile phone accepts an eSIM, which is literally a virtual electronic SIM card, not a physical one, so it's all online based. Go ahead and choose from the options to see if your phone is compatible. Remember, the calls are only through VoIP, meaning from Skype, WhatsApp, Facebook and others. So they're offering unlimited data with 500 MB hotspot per day to share with others. Since I have around 4 days left on my holiday, it's now time to explore the city, which this package comes to £21 for unlimited data. And sharing 500 MB hotspot on another phone, it's equivalent to 1 hour WhatsApp video calling. This also depends on the video quality and connection in regards to data usage. Once you have purchased your plan, follow the step-by-step instructions given in your email to activate your eSIM. Confirm you want to add the plan to your phone. Now you can see Holafly is activated. You can now go ahead and deactivate your first main SIM card. If you need help, there is a WhatsApp chat assistant that can help you. Give it around 5 to 10 minutes to fully activate. As you can see here, my mobile phone hotspot is on from the Holafly eSIM, and now I can share data on my other phone. Overall, the connection was fine throughout Marrakesh city. So guys, the decision is yours whether you want to go for a cheaper option of installing a new SIM card or get yourself an eSIM. Enjoy your holiday guys, peace.